Gold and silver has taken a massive U-turn and shown a strong dip. We have seen gold moving all the way towards 3280 levels, 84 zone, and silver has also moved towards 3260, the critical support zone. Can we expect a reversal from here, or the bears are here? And are we looking forward to a greater crash? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. I'm not only going to give you the trading levels, but also going to give you the reason behind each and every level such that you can also understand the psychology of markets and take your trades accordingly. This is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical reasoning. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Also, you can use super thanks to appreciate the effort. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. Gold on the hourly charts after a good rise. See, this was the support zone. It has breached this zone 3320, 3300 and now moved closer towards the next target zone at 3278.80. If that is taken, you can expect a greater price correction which can lend gold all the way towards 3250 and in fact lower levels. Possibility is there that if the price is now stays below 32 78.80 and then 32.70, you can expect the direct landing at 32.50 levels. Now see what's happening. You can see it has got its resistance intact, drop, slight movement, then drop, and it is trying to recover a bit. But it is not yet a reversal. However, it is not that it cannot reverse. See, it has shown a sharper drop. It can reverse as well. And thus you have to watch out with caution. A move beyond 33.10, 33.20 is the clear indication of a reversal. And any move beyond 33.30 is a clear indication of a greater bull. See, prices can still reverse. These are markets. Anything and everything is possible. On the hourly charts, stochastic has come to its oversold zone while the MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. And if you look at the RSI, this is dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour, now if you see the 2 hour charts here, rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger retracement, yet it is holding on to this bullish channel. It is very, very important for gold to trade below 32.80-70 zone and then 32.50 levels. If these two levels are taken, we are ready for a crash or a correction all the way towards 3200. Stochastic oversold here. The MACD, if you see, it has retraced sharp and now crossing over here, suggestive of slight bearishness. The RSI has dropped here. Coming to 3 hour chart. On the 3 hour charts, it is interesting to note that reversal sign, couple of bearish candles, it has taken the support from the 20 period moving average. Now it can still continue here on the downside. If you see now gold trading below, in fact 32.88 itself, you can take a sell, but I'll say 32.87, 32.78.80 and then 32.70 are the two key levels it needs to break below which the targets are going to be all the way towards 32.50 to 50 level. Remember, this was the greatest resistance earlier, and now this should be the greatest support as well if at all gold decides to reverse. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD, after retracing, just crossing over here, which is again a bearish sign, the RSI has dropped as well. On the 4 hour, similar observation on the 4 hour charts. After the rise, the retracement, the support is here from the 20 period. And now once it trades below 20 period, certainly more bearishness, specifically below 32.70, more bearishness should prevail. See, it is still trading in this bullish channel here. It is still trading in this retracement channel. Very, very important for gold to trade below 32.70 in order to confirm more bearishness. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD has retraced, trying to cross over for sell. The RSI, when you look at it, has dropped as well. Coming to daily, now see on the daily charts, what a swing it has shown. Higher highs are done, and see what a pullback it is shown here. Now it is breaching past yesterday's low. That is very, very important point. Once it trades below the yesterday's lows, specifically below 32.80-78 zone, you can expect a move towards 32.70, which is a critical support. And then below that, we are aiming for 32.50. Now, if it trades below 32.50, what will happen? The possibility of a move towards 3200 will increase. Now, is it possible? See, first of all, gold is trading in this nice bearish channel here, hitting the highs all the way towards on the upside. It is trying to reverse. It is possible that it can move towards the bottom. On the weekly and monthly charts, I have shared several times that it is getting overbought, but it has to reverse sooner or later, and that is what we can aim for here. If it starts to move now towards 3200, that is a reversal and a greater correction should follow. The stochastic overbought here. The MACD is still trading bearish. See, here we have to wait for a crossover. It is not yet crossed over. If it crosses over, then you can see that the prices are going to rally high. And it is possible now also that if gold trades below 33.20, 33.30 zone, we can look forward to a complete reversal here. Nothing has happened. It has hit towards the yesterday's low, and it can move on the upside. It can come towards 33.20, 33.30 zone, close here, and then start to move upwards. You have to watch out. Every level is very, very critical here. The RSI is comfortable here. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. If you also want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 33rd mentorship batch starting 2nd of June. Do not miss this opportunity. Connect with me, write an email or ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you are looking forward to just joining the Signals channel, you can be part of my Signals channel. Interestingly, today we have just sold at the highs precisely at 33.45 levels. I will share you the screenshot, and right from the 33.45 levels we have trailed our stop losses. What a beautiful run we have seen here. You can also be part of the Signals channel and profit accordingly. So now where you should buy, I will now recommend you to buy. If you see gold staying above 3302 levels, expect 3310 as the first target. Very, very important, very, very critical. Beyond 3310, it's 3322. 24 levels, and if that is taken, then 33, 30, 32. If these three levels are taken, it's a reversal. You can again expect it to move all the way towards 33.46, 33.55, and then 33.70, 33.85 levels. Chances for such a rise appears less looking at the move, but yes, these are markets. Again, I'm saying it has just formed a double bottom here, or you can see yesterday's lows, it is kissed, and it can still reverse. Be mindful of this. On the downside, now the selling entries you can take at 32.88. However, I'll say 32.8078 is one level which is going to be a greater support, and below 32.8078 is where the bears will take over completely, where 32.70 will be the first target, and if it all it trades below 32.70, stay short for 32.50 to 50 levels. The next target 32.50 is a critical support zone. Right now I am not so aggressively bearish, but yes, the slide it has shown, if it continues here, I think 32.50 is not much far. However, be cautious. Right now I will say till 32.70 at least you should be cautious. Prices can still bounce back. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. Now see how critical is the number 33.70. I have shared this in my daily and weekly updates as well. I have shared this in my analysis that forming double top, prices can reverse. And now if at any point of time silver trades below 32, that is the beginning of the greater downtrend. Now look at the early charts, rise, retracement, and see a stronger rise, but and after the stronger rise, it has also delivered a stronger retracement. However, it is still keeping itself intact in this channel, which is bullish. So now it has to trade below 32.50, 40, which will confirm further downside all the way towards 32. And if it trades below 32, you can expect a greater correction. Stochastic oversold here. MACD, after the crossover trading sharply bearish looking downwards, too much of divergence calls for it to converge. Let's see when it starts to converge. This may show a greater reversal as well. The RSI is oversold here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. See higher lows here, higher highs here. Trading in this channel, any drop below 32.50, 40 should be a good indication for 32.20 and 32. And any drop below 32 is a clear indication of beginning of the correction. Stochastic oversold. The MACD has crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, staying bearish. The RSI has dropped as well. On the 3-hour charts, and on the 3-hour charts, similar observation here. See this. This is how it has been trading. Let it stay below 32.50, 40. That will be the only level below which more bearishness should prevail. Else it could bounce back. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. When you see the RSI, this is also dropped sharp. On the 4-hour charts, similar observation here. See reversal sign and one sharp bearish candle. Single candle, a very sharper one. And now if it stays below 32.60, you can take a sell for 32.40, 32.20 and 32. Any drop below 32 is a clear sign, clear indication of a correction tomorrow as well. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD, after a good rise, it has just crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI has dropped. Coming to daily, now this is important. See, this is important here, 33.70, 75 zone. And I have shared this, see, forming double top, because see, this is a very point for me. Why? See this, after the drop retracement, and now it has formed a double top. So this calls for a good correction, but for this to happen, silver has to trade below 32, and if it trades below 32, you can expect a greater correction here on the downs. And now if at all it trades below 32.60 today, you can take a sell for 32.40, 32.20 and 32, and any drop below 32 is a clear sign of a greater down move. Stochastic overbought, MACD is still in green and RSI looking downward. So looking at this, right now the signs are bearish, but you can still expect a pullback. Remember, I always say these are markets, anything and everything is possible. If it can slide hard, it can recover sharp as well. So buy at 32.85, expect 33.05, 33 3320 30 should be now 3320 30, which was earlier the resistance, is again going to be a good resistance. Now it has to trade below 32 3320 30 to in order to move towards 3350 and 3370. Any move beyond 3370 is a clear sign of bullishness, where we can expect 34 3450 and 35, chances for which now appears less, as it appears that markets are trying to reverse. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.